G'day guys, Gary from Greenworks Australia here. I'm here to show you how to load the nylon cord in your Greenworks Pro 60 volt multi-tool. You don't have to pull the head apart on this unit. It is a bump feed. What we need to do, first of all, when we run out of cord, we line our arrow up there with the arrow on the bump cap. So when we run out of cord, we turn the arrow on our bump knob to the arrow on our cap, like so. 2.4mm is our preferred cord size. We get a couple of arm lengths of that off our roll, cut it, leave it in one complete piece. Then you see on the head it says line in, so we feed it from one side only, which is on the eyelet on this side. So once we have our arrows lined up, we'll grab the end of the cord here, feed it in nice and slowly, and it'll pop out the other side. Pull it through, grab the other end until they're even. Once you've pulled it through a fair way, place the unit on the ground, grab your two ends, pull it through till they're nice and even. Then it's as simple as grab one hand, hold the top of the head, and it rotates clockwise, and there is an arrow on there. As you can see, I twist one hand and turn the other. Voila, reloaded, ready to go and do your nice straight edges again. If you need to pull your head apart on your 60 volt Greenworks multi-tool, it's as simple as press that tab there, the cover comes off, and then we can pull the spool out. Why we would do this, sometimes you get grass build-up or sticks or whatnot in there and prevents the head from feeding correctly or loading correctly. Or if you get a jam in the cord, you can simply unwind it, pull it out, and put it all back together again.